In this video, I'm going to use this card flipping effect to demonstrate some of the basics of math of matrix to get you familiar with it. By the end of this course, you'll have a good understanding of matrix and how to use them in VEX to manipulate geometry and create your own amazing projects. This premium course is available to Perk members. Join now and get instant access. The membership will also give you access to all my previous project files that I've made over the years. They all have video tutorials explaining the concepts, and the project files have bonus content that are not shown in the tutorials. If you want to try out the membership before going into Perk 2, I have a Perk 1 level membership that gives you access to a smaller selection of my projects. Unfortunately, this premium course on VEX animations and matrices will not be included for Perk 1. Perk 1 level was meant for you to try out the membership and see if you like what you see before committing to Perk 2.